Hello folks, sharing a little bit today about the wiring on the window switch for a 96 Nissan 240SX. Had a problem with the right window would not go down. Got it up, would not go down, so did a lot of looking and reading the diagrams off of Nico, and finally realized that I was getting power to the window switch, or to the window motor for a positive, but wasn't getting the ground. And it was the amp in the switch from the driver's side. If you can see it over there, the amp is bad and not grounding the power window switch on the passenger side. So what I finally realized I could do is put a relay in, and so when I get power to the which is the blue wire going to the window motor, so I get power on the blue wire here, it goes to the relay, turns the relay on, the relay grounds the green wire. So by doing that, when you flip the switch, I just key on. This works from driver or passenger side. Yep, window function up, window function down. I didn't have to do any. This works from both sides. I didn't have to do anything other than add this relay. So your ground comes in. Let's get this grounded through here. And then the ground, when the relay grounds, it grounds the green. The blue supplies power to the relay to turn it on, and it works phenomenal. I'll show you something else, a little trick I did years ago. So I have this, had a power switch before. If you ever had a problem with the driver's side switch auto down, like sticking, and kind of, sometimes I think it seemed like I noticed the lights would flicker at night because it was kicking on and off. I JB welded a little spring underneath the front of the switch, so it pushes the switch up. So anyway, it's been there for probably 5 or 6 years, and it's worked flawlessly ever since. Anyway, just a few little tips for power windows repairs on the 96 240SX. Maybe this helps someone out. Good luck.